Have you ever stopped to think that a simple fruit could work wonders for your kidneys? That's right. Many people only think about these two essential organs when the doctor drops that dreaded line, "We need to start considering dialysis." But what if I told you that you can start taking care of them right now, in a simple, delicious, and completely natural way? In today's video, you'll discover 5 fruits that act as a true detox for your kidneys. They help cleanse the body, reduce the load on these organs, and, with the right medical guidance, may even lower the risk of needing more invasive treatments in the future. So go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Have you or someone in your family ever had kidney problems? Or are you here to learn how to prevent them before they become serious? Stay until the end, because what you're about to learn today could change the way you take care of your kidney health. Everyone's heard about the importance of exercising, keeping the heart healthy, and watching your diet. But what about the kidneys? Almost no one thinks about them until something goes wrong. These two organs work non-stop, filtering the blood, removing toxins, and balancing fluid and mineral levels in the body. When they're not functioning properly, the signs show up: swelling, irregular blood pressure, and in more serious cases, even the risk of dialysis. The good news? You don't need crazy diets or expensive treatments to start taking good care of your kidneys. There are common, easy-to-find fruits that can really help in this process. They give your body a boost in detoxification, improve circulation, reduce swelling, increase energy levels, and even promote healthier skin. So let's find out what they are. Fruit 1. Blueberry. You know that little bluish fruit that shows up in smoothies, yogurts, or fancy dessert recipes? Well, the blueberry isn't just pretty on the plate, it's a real friend for your kidneys. The secret lies in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and protect cells from oxidative damage. In practice, that means fewer toxins building up in the body and less work for your kidneys when it comes to filtering everything out. And there's more. Blueberries are naturally low in sodium and potassium, 2 minerals that, in excess, can become a big problem for people with compromised kidney function. In other words, you can enjoy them without worry and give your renal system a well-deserved break. Want to know how to add it to your daily routine? You can eat it plain, mix it into your cereal, blend it into a refreshing smoothie, or even get creative with recipes, like a sweet and sour dressing for salads or meats. And if you've got a sweet tooth, you can even bake a cake with less sugar, letting blueberries take the spotlight. As a bonus, they also bring fiber, vitamin C, and a boost for both your gut and your immune system. And it's all connected. The more regular your digestion, the fewer toxins circulating, and the easier it is on your kidneys. With just small portions throughout the week, you'll start to feel the benefits. It's a tiny fruit, but it does your body a world of good. Fruit 2. Watermelon. Watermelon is one fruit that almost shouts, "Summer!" and refreshing. Apart from satisfying your thirst, it is a strong friend for your kidneys. Watermelon, which has a high water content, helps to keep the body hydrated, and that is crucial for correct kidney function. More fluids in your body make it simpler to eliminate waste and pollutants. Less accumulation implies less effort for the natural filters of your body. Watermelon is also high in lycopene, a strong antioxidant guarding cells against oxidative stress, in addition to all this. In other words, it not only helps rinse out your kidneys, but also works to prevent internal damage. Want to switch things up? You can enjoy it in slices, blend it into juice, add it to water with ice and mint for a boosted infused drink, or even mix it with leafy greens and white cheese for a light, stylish salad. It's delicious and gives your hydration a real boost. With few calories and low sodium, watermelon fits easily into diets aimed at reducing fluid retention and high blood pressure. And if your doctor gives the green light, it can definitely become a regular on your daily menu. Fruit 3. Pineapple. Sweet, tangy, refreshing pineapple is one of those fruits you can recognize from afar just by its smell. But what many people don't realize is that beyond its delicious flavor, it can also be a powerful ally for kidney health. The highlight here is bromelain, an enzyme found in pineapple that helps break down proteins during digestion. And what does that have to do with your kidneys? Everything. When digestion runs smoothly, there's less waste left behind in the body, which means less work for your kidneys. It's like the fruit helps take the load off your renal system. Another plus, pineapple has a moderate potassium content, which is usually well tolerated by people who need to manage this mineral due to kidney issues. Of course, every case is different, so it's always a good idea to talk to a healthcare professional. But in general, pineapple tends to be a safe choice for those with mild to moderate restrictions. There are plenty of ways to enjoy it. Fresh slices, natural juices with mint for extra refreshment, or even as a salad ingredient paired with shredded chicken or leafy greens. And for those who love a healthy dessert, you can grill pineapple rings and sprinkle them with cinnamon. It's amazing and no extra sugar needed. As a bonus, pineapple also provides vitamin C and fiber, helping to boost immunity and keep digestion regular. Two key factors that directly support kidney health. Fruit 4. Apple. Apples are a staple at any market or grocery store, but not everyone realizes how much they can do for kidney health. Pectin, a soluble fiber helping to eliminate toxins and even heavy metals from the body, is the real star here. And what advantage of that is? The kidneys need not work extra filtering these pollutants if they are already being removed via the intestines. It's as though the apple helps your body in the cleansing process, hence reducing the strain on your kidneys. On top of that, apples help control cholesterol and also provide antioxidants that fight low-grade inflammation. In practical terms, that means a more balanced body with a lower risk of developing chronic diseases that can affect the kidneys. To get the most out of it, it's best to eat apples with the skin on. That's where a good portion of the fiber is. You can enjoy them plain, sliced with other fruits, in juices, baked with cinnamon, or even in sweet and savory dishes with vegetables and lean meats. They're versatile, light, and pair well in all kinds of combos. And the best part? Apples are inexpensive, easy to find year-round, and liked by almost everyone. With that combo of practicality and health benefits, they're the perfect ally for anyone looking to take care of their kidneys without complicating their routine. Before we continue, I've got some exciting news to share. If you enjoy our content and want access to exclusive benefits, become a channel member. As a member, you will unlock some amazing perks like early access to new videos, priority replies to your comments, members-only shorts, polls, quizzes, and special emojis and loyalty badges just for you. Just click the join button and be part of this community that values health and well-being. Your support helps us keep bringing high-quality content for you. Fruit 5. Cranberry. Small, tart, and packed with power, cranberries have earned a well-deserved reputation when it comes to urinary health, and for good reason. This little fruit contains special compounds that help prevent bacteria, like the well-known E. coli, from sticking to the walls of the bladder and urinary tract. For those who suffer from recurring infections or want to give their kidneys some extra support, it's pretty much a natural ally. And the benefits don't stop there. Cranberries are also rich in antioxidants that fight inflammation and protect the kidneys from oxidative stress. In other words, they're working behind the scenes to keep everything running smoothly on the inside. The most popular way to consume cranberries is through juice, but there's one important detail. Many store-bought versions are loaded with sugar. That's why it's best to look for pure, unsweetened options, even if the taste is a bit tart. A good tip is to mix it with other fruits, like apple, or dilute it with water to make the flavor milder. You can also find dried cranberries, but it's important to check the labels. Some brands go overboard with added sugar. And if you choose cranberry capsules or supplements, it's best to consult a healthcare professional first, just to make sure everything is done right. If you come across the fresh or frozen fruit, try tossing it into smoothies or even using it in salads for a special touch. At the end of the day, it's a small and subtle fruit, but it does wonders for your kidneys and for your whole body. Stop dialysis now. Is it really possible? If you've made it this far, you might be asking yourself, can these fruits really help someone stop dialysis? And here's the most honest answer possible. It's not that simple. When the kidneys are already severely damaged, especially in advanced stages of kidney failure, you can't just stop treatment from one day to the next. In these cases, dialysis is a medical necessity, not a personal choice. But there is something you can do, and it makes all the difference. Start taking care of yourself now. Improving your diet, adding in the fruits we mentioned here, staying well hydrated, and closely following medical guidance can absolutely help preserve what's still working. And in many cases, that can prevent things from progressing to the point where dialysis becomes necessary. These fruits are true allies in kidney health. And if you already have kidney issues, it's definitely worth talking to your doctor or nutritionist about incorporating them into your routine. Because at the end of the day, waiting until things get critical is never the best idea. Taking action early is always the best path. But hey, don't go swapping treatment for fruit, okay? Everything we talked about here should always be done with professional guidance. Information is meant to support you, not replace medical advice. If you found this video helpful, please type yes in the comments below. And if you've seen improvements in your health just by changing your diet, share your story below. We love seeing those exchanges and inspiring more people to care for their health naturally. I also encourage you to check out these 2 videos we selected especially for you. Thanks so much for hanging out with us, and see you in the next video.